Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello everyone, welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button. Also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my next video.
Where is Elaro? This way. They are gone.
Kalau mek mo ela so. Jangan bawa ini.
Come back a bit. My people are not say go they wonder what really finally happened for court. After they don't deliberate finish, do talk, sign papers, bring money, evidence of payment, come inside court. What do they hear by the corner? We say we don't finish everything, then go release and then go release them. I don't know what they hear when next thing we will see say then go inside the court, carry Mr. Portable, come outside. Like say they won't carry him, go house. Next thing we see now authorities move them into their waiting truck, we carry them, leave this location. Apparently it appears say they don't meet all the bail conditions because they say they meet everything there for carry and they go house. They release them from inside the courtroom where been they detained after the court session, but they no carry them go house. Waiting will see be inside the police van. More we hear from the lawyers to know what actually transpired and waiting be the final decisions of what happened here today. Recording, yes. Yes. But I'm not with. So what really happened?
I think he said they signed everything, but they didn't want to.
Yes, they didn't want to sign it here. That was what happened. So,
Let's see the lawyer wants to talk. Come on. You want to talk to me on what you finally transferred?
okay.
So just tell me. Okay. No, I won't show that. It's fine. It's only your face we're having. Let's start with your name and what really transpired at the end. We see Mr. Portable is no more here. What happened in the court?
My name is Kelly. I'm one of the counsel representing him. What happened was that first the court granted him the court was granted on very legal terms. And so what left is for us to perfect the conditions of the bill, and which will be going to the process of doing that. The United States close to completing that process. But I guess the prison authorities wait for that to be completed. They have to leave, just let them. What is left for us to do is to ensure that once it's completed, take the jobs, the magistrates to the court, and then take it to the operational
Center.
where they then invest.
And can you give me a brief of what these conditions are?
Well, I can't give you anything, but
Okay.
it includes 2 shorties who must be resident within first jurisdiction.
For which of the counts?
Accounts.
For which of the counts are you talking about?
For the first
Charge.
the first charge comprised 2 counts. The courts granted bail and then directed that 2 shorties taking the 2 shorties. Those 2 shorties wasn't within jurisdiction, within court jurisdiction. Only was to be relatively performed.
Okay. That charge, what charge is that? That first charge?
That charge had to do with obstruction of justice.
Okay. Okay.
Allegedly.
Allegedly.
So after that, the court also granted bail in respect of the second charge,
Which is?
which comprised 3 counts. I think the counts include conspiracy.
Okay. Go ahead.
So also magnanimously granted bail in respect of this.
The conditions for that
The
one.
conditions were similar, substantially similar to the first one. Those are 2 shorties.
Okay.
The problem for the first trial, the court said that God gave those some
Okay.
the shorties in the light suit.
Okay.
And then
The second.
for the second one, the final one, 2 shorties in light suit. So all in all, I think it's all good. The important thing to stress here is that Mr. Abib, aka Portable, is completely innocent. The way he chooses is innocent. He's doing nothing. I think the police just need to. Well, I can't say. I can't speak as to the motive. He's evident is that he's really innocent. He's prepared to defend himself.
All right. Thank you so much, sir. That was a brief from the lawyer to Mr. Portable, where they give me full brief of wetin transpire. He said they don't meet the bail conditions about 90%. So it remains small, and then go just finish up the remaining bail conditions, and then they will now have to go to present the papers for the court, for the correctional center, where they will now release Mr. Portable. Say once they meet those bail conditions, matter go don't end for now until the court case go now continue. He mentioned the amounts where they involved, we include for the first count charge about 300,000 and 2 shorties in like sum, and for the second charge where they put on them, they say about 500,000 naira be the shorty, be the amount where they put for in bail condition with 2 shorties in license also. These are the details of waiting don't transpire so far for this particular court, High Court for Judiciary Division for Ogun State. We hail all of on our join us for the live broadcast, and we say on our word, and let me be gift Andrew and Amian and I do this one. And we still did for other locations across Nigeria, across Africa, and across the world for BBC Pidgin. They bring on our reports just as they happen live and direct. And we also there for Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Ona, well done.
day, ladies and gentlemen. Good day, my brothers and sisters, my mummies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all.